Heidi ho, Mr. Wonderful Wear. Hope you're all doing great. I'm doing pretty good. I've had a few people ask what these little square things are. I've done a couple of videos on them in the past, but if you're new, you probably haven't seen them. These are for making cowboy hats. And these are your 1 pennies or your 1 cent. Yeah, 1 cent. They are copper. Copper ones are the best. The other ones are just copper coated. And so let's zoom in a bit more, shall we? So you can see what's going on a bit. So you line it up however way you want to do it. That looks pretty square. Right, so there's a little ball bearing in there, which I'll show in a little while. So we now go over to Big Red. I'm going to give it a bit the old one too. And the other one. I look at the monitor, can't see Jack as usual. She's got the jack, baby. There you go. That don't look too shabby. I'll put that back on top again. Go over to Big Red. And we do the same again. Okie dokie. Right. Right, there's a little ball bearing in here. If I turn the ball bearing around, you'll see that there's a you just want to get that sort of straight, just like that. It does sort of self-center itself. So this puts the crease in the hat. That's the big side. You put it back on again. Then this bit puts the crease in. So that goes there, like so. Go back over to Big Red again. It's exciting, isn't it? Right. If you want a set of earrings, no problem. Happy to make them for you. This just puts the crease in the hat. You don't want to go crazy. There you go. And we'll do the same with this one. How's everybody doing? Good? Good. That's what I like to hear. I got this off an old boy in the States. He made them for me. I also got one that takes a US quarter and an English 2p. No, an English halfpenny. Right. So there we have our two cowboy hats. So now we need to punch a hole in them. And for that, I've got this gizmo. It's bloody good. Really good. So we're going to keep the 1 cent. We don't want to damage that, do we? And, you know. So, you put that in here. It's a bit awkward to do this on the camera. Because it's a bit fiddly, but, you know. You want to get it nice and straight, lined up. Then you give it a bit of the old hoochie coochie, and there you go. Perfectly punched hole. No burrs, no nothing. It's perfect. Then we do the same with this one. Nice and lined up again. And off we go again. Is that gonna... Sometimes I do it a bit too close and it so that's that. So now I'll polish them. I'll put a bit of jollop on there. On this one. You got any questions about this? Hey? And these shine up really well. It's pure copper. And I clear coat them as well so they don't go dull. I sold a few of these on my shop. And on the market, they're quite popular. A bit different, aren't they, you know? Do the sides. Well, these do clean up really good. Same with this one. I don't know when this video will go up. My girlfriend does the videos. But they don't seem to go up in order. She just picks one and sticks it on, so. They do come up really good. With the clear coat, they stay really bright and shiny. A bit like my eyes, nice and shiny. What am I talking about? I don't know. Right, what we got? Let's have a look. Let's clean off the mingers first, they're not too bad. But these are really popular. I saw quite a lot of these on the market in Helsinki. Look at that, stunning, eh? I'm just trying to get some videos in the bag before I go to the UK for a few days. There you go. And have I got any pliers here? What do you think? Yeah. I've got something somewhere. Now I should have a pair of pliers on my little table as well, shouldn't I, really? Which I will get sorted out eventually. So at the moment I use per cutters, that'll do. These aren't solid gold. I usually use silver, but I haven't got any silver at the moment. I'm not here. But I think they look good on gold. Short video, guys, eh? Makes a change, doesn't it? I can't see nothing. I usually just a little tiny needle on those pliers. But there you go. Cowboy hat earrings. Made from the good old Yankee Doodle. 1 penny or 1 cent. I will spray them so they'll stay shiny. So there you go, folks. That's what that little gadget's for. If you want a set of earrings, let me know. Put that back. So thanks for watching. It balances on this finger absolutely perfect. So yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for your support, thanks for the liking. Yeah, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, there's a little red button bottom right hand corner of the video. Hit that, you're automatically subscribed. So yeah, that's what that little thing was for. So have a great day. Try and make someone smile. And yeah, have it.